Hey guys, good morning. In this video I'm gonna show you a little bit of Tenerife. We are traveling with Celebrity Cruise Infinity, and this morning we are heading here to Tenerife. Beautiful island with mountains. If you wanna see a little bit more about this island, please stay to the end of these videos. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be really good and I appreciate it. Thank you. It's really beautiful. It's like the combination between beaches and mountain. Over there is the city. You see all the apartments and buildings. Wow. Looks amazing, and in this side of the island you can see the mountain. Welcome to Tenerife. We are in Tenerife now, leaving the boat Celebrity Infinity. Leaving the port, you can see some of the most important people here in Spain. I never know. Julio Verne. Oh, Julio Verne. Olivia Stone. Frederick Lighton. Thomas Henry Lutzi. Interesting. And they provide you with a little brief about the person. Isabel de Bourbon. So we have to cross this bridge to go over there to the city. This is the port behind us. And crossing the bridge right now. Ya estamos en Tenerife. Ya salimos del puerto y ahora a dar un recorrido por la ciudad. Just walking around the city here in Tenerife. We are right now in a cafeteria. It's a place that you can find coffee, water, have a little breakfast. It reminds me Caracas. Caracas, you have so many places like this. That you go there for breakfast, coffee. The first thing in the morning that you do. We just decided to be shopping here in this island.
Llamo a la arena que me coja el teléfono y tú con el móvil.
Oh, this is Aldo. I was talking about Caracas, that this place reminds me about Venezuela, and when they serve me the coffee, the cup says Caracas. I'm gonna ask We bought some clothes, some deals in this store, New Yorkers. Good prices. Good prices. This is the second time that I see a cow in front of the store.
Tú donde quieras parar nos dices, pero es difícil.
Taquería La Santa is closed. Very cute, the store. I love it. It's very nice. Mini casino. Mini centro comercial. We've been shopping the whole morning here in Tenerife. It's beautiful here and the weather is amazing.
Damos justificante solidario.
I love the building, the architecture. This is the Capitanía General. I guess it's a government building or something like that. Beautiful. And it's big. And I guess these people are waiting for the taxis or bus, something like that. This is Tenerife. Waiting for the tranvía. It's like a mini train. It's coming there. We are leaving right now. We are leaving Tenerife. We are going direction to the port because today we are leaving at 4:30 and we need to have time to walk and be cautious because I don't want to lose my boat. Until next time, Tenerife, beautiful. Beautiful Tenerife. That's our boat leaving the city right now, and we are getting into the Puerto de Tenerife port. This is part of the parking lot. You can see the beautiful mountains over there and leaving the city behind us. Puerto de Tenerife. We just finished our excursion for Tenerife. Nice. I wanna come back. I wanna come back and stay like 3 or 4 days here because I wanna go to mountains and explore all other areas. But we didn't have too many times because we only have like 7 hours or 6 to be here in the port, or less, because we are returning to the boat before the time for sailing. So just few hours just to do shopping. Did you do shopping? Yes?
Yep.
That's good. Good deals, good prices.